Hello everyone, Ceri the Crafter here, that's C-E-R-I the Crafter. And don't forget, these are my social media links, mainly Facebook for my crafting, at Ceri the Crafter finds me. I do have an Etsy shop, which is Ceri the Crafter, you're seeing a theme. I'd appreciate you popping over and favouriting my shop, that way every time I upload a new digital download, you will get notified, and that's a great way to know when new things are coming out. So let's move that to one side. I just wanted to pop on today and show you a little quick trick I actually use. Now we know that out there is a craft punch by memory. We are memory keepers, and it's called the whale tail punch. However, it's discontinued and you can't always find it. And when you want to make a tab for the side of a page, there are lots of different ways of doing it. But this is the way I do it, and I thought I'd just share it with you. So I'm going to show it to you twice. I use any size round punch. This happens to be a 2-inch round punch. It can be any size you wish. Don't get hung up on that. So come in, I'm going to punch this. It's going to make a noise, excuse that. There you go. This is getting to be quite an old punch, so it may need renewing. I then take my 2-inch disc, or whatever size disc you made. I then fold it in half. Then I'm going to come in, and as you can see, I'm just going to snip off a little bit off either end. And that gives me a tag. And what I do with that is that can then be stuck over the edge of the page, and it'll give you an index tab for your work. Now I do them in white, but to be honest with you, I do them in everything. So if I've got any bits of scrap card left over, I will do it. So this is a bit of a this is one of my tag backgrounds. It's a digital download in the shop at Hot. I quite like that one. Just go to show you don't have to use a digital background for what it's meant to be. So I'm going to come in, pop that out. Then I'm going to take that disc and I'm going to fold that in half. There you go. Come in again and snip those little corners off. And there you go. You've got a nice little decorative tag for the side of a book page or side of a journal page. So I would just stick that on there, and then that would give me an index one. You could put a little word there, you could put numbers there. Great way to use up those little scraps, guys, because what you can do is you can just take those and then you can just punch them out and put them in a box, put them in a little baggie, and you've got them for the future. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Don't forget, guys, if you want to find me on social media, this is where you find me. You want to see any of my digital downloads, and I do regularly list them on my Etsy shop. As soon as I can find time to actually create something artistic and I love it, then I put it on there. So you'll see me go to Ceri the Crafter in Etsy. So it's goodbye from me. That's Ceri the Crafter, C-E-R-I the Crafter. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye now.